Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how to translate Google Doc into different language. Like your video have English, you want to translate in Hindi. Your video have China, you want to translate Bangla to Hindi, Hindi to China, and Portuguese, France, any language. All language are supported in this format. So let's get started. First, I'm going to Google Doc, and I choose any doc. So you can choose any doc if you have already. So you can see this is my dashboard. Now I'm going to, you can see this is a going to tool. This option, just click here, then translate document. Just one click, translate, then choose your language. What language you want to. So I choose Bengali. Just click translate. Wow, when I click, you can see this is a create a new document. My English language are still here, then and this is a new one. So if you want to more video, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell and comment below what video you want to. Thank you.